Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both apps and giving them permissions. This ensures accurate live routing. First, update Uber Driver and Waze, then enable location and background refresh so Waze can report real-time traffic. Next, open Uber Driver, go to Settings, right arrow navigation, and pick Waze as your default. Once done, start a short test trip so you can verify voice and route handoff. This prevents surprises during real passengers and saves time later. After you accept a trip, tap Navigate and let Uber prompt you to open Waze. Choose Waze to hand off routing. When Waze loads, confirm the route and enable voice guidance so you don't miss turn instructions. Waze shows hazards and police alerts that can save minutes. Make sure Uber Driver stays usable in the background. This preserves ETA, fare, and rider tracking. If Waze suggests a faster route, accept it, then glance at Uber Driver to ensure pickup or drop-off points stay correct. When you reach the drop-off point, stop navigation in Waze and immediately finalize the trip in Uber Driver so earnings and rider feedback record correctly. Make sure ETA and any route changes are reflected in the Uber app. This avoids mismatched trip logs. If navigation doesn't switch to Waze or voice is silent, first check location and microphone permissions, then force close both apps and reopen. If problems persist, reinstall Waze or Uber Driver. This clears corrupted settings and restores reliable handoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.